Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an event registration site with Eventbrite beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Eventbrite website. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill in the required information to set up your account. Once logged in, locate the Create Event button on your dashboard. Click on the Create Event button to start setting up your event registration page. Choose an event type that suits your needs, whether it's an in-person, virtual, or hybrid event. Fill in the event details including the event name, date, time, and location. Provide a description of your event that clearly outlines what attendees can expect. Add an eye-catching cover image to grab potential attendees' attention. Set your ticketing options by selecting a ticket type, pricing, and the number of available tickets. If necessary, customize any additional ticket settings, such as discounts or promotional codes. Decide if you'd like to enable registration options, such as collecting attendee information or setting a limit on ticket purchases. Review and adjust the event settings, including privacy settings and whether the event is publicly or privately listed. After all event details are filled in, preview your event page to ensure all information is correct. Once satisfied with the preview, click on the Publish button to make your event live. Share the event link across your social media platforms and with your network to drive registrations. Monitor your event's registrations through the dashboard to track attendee numbers. Consider sending reminder emails to registered attendees as the event date approaches. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.